Stainless steel flanges are essential components in piping systems, offering exceptional durability, resistance, and versatility across various industries. At Texas Flange, you can rely on us delivering top-quality stainless steel flanges designed to meet the stringent demands of your applications. Renowned for their superior corrosion resistance, stainless steel flanges excel in environments exposed to moisture, chemicals, and extreme temperatures. This makes them ideal for industries such as oil and gas, chemical processing, food and beverage, and marine applications. Texas Flange offers a wide range of stainless steel flange types, including weld neck, slip-on, blind, and threaded options. Our inventory features multiple sizes, pressure ratings, and stainless steel grades, such as 304, 316, and many others, ensuring a perfect match for your specific needs. If you have unique or custom needs or sizes, we can deliver these too. Explore our stainless steel flange options today and experience why Texas Flange is a trusted name in the industry. Contact us to learn more or request a quote.